Hello everyone, how are you? I know after reading these three or four lessons, you started to like history very much. Am I correct? Yes. See, nice pictures are also there, and now interesting stories about Shivaji Maharaj already we have started with. See, in the last lesson only we have seen about the birth of Shivaji Maharaj, his birthplace, that is our Shivneri fort, very near to us. Anytime we can go and we can visit to that fort. Am I correct? Yes. Then after that one we have seen that Shivaji's childhood has been started by the one of the great teacher, lady teacher, and that lady teacher is his mother Jizabai. She was a very great teacher, great mother, great warrior, and many other things which she was having with her. Now, in the same lesson, we have seen that how his childhood has been started. At that time, where were Jizabai and Shivaji Maharaj, and with them Shahaji Raje was there or not? These all things we have seen. How Lakhoji Raje Jadhav has been killed or murdered in the court, open court of Nizam Shah, and it has become the biggest reason for establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra. This was the inner affection in the mind of the Jizabai, we can say. And so many other things we have seen in this last lesson. Hope so you have completed with exercise as well. You will able to see now here that here this is the fort picture of Fort Shivneri. Here Mahadarwaza means first gate of Shivneri fort. Maybe you have seen, if you have not visited after opening the lockdown, after curing this disease, you can go anytime and you can visit the fort. Really you will also enjoy this. Now come to next lesson, that is Shivaji's education. In last lesson only, already just now I introduced you about these things. In last lesson only Shivaji's education has started. Now somewhere this education has been started, whichever lesson we are going to see, in that lesson we will see that this education has been started with Shahaji Raje itself. So let us see the first point, beginning of Shivaji's education. See dear children, Shahaji Raje himself was scholar of Sanskrit. Sanskrit is one of the important language like Urdu and Sanskrit. Okay. In the Bangalore court, he had under his patronage artisans and scholars of various languages. Patronage in his kingdomship. He appointed intelligent teachers for Shivaji. Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. Soon Shivaji became skilled in the art of reading and writing. He began to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad on his own. To teach him warfare, Shivaji Raje had appointed some teachers. They began to teach Shivaji to ride a horse, to wrestle. To wrestle means what? To wrestle, it's one type of wrestling. Wrestling means fight. To use sword and dandapatta. Thus, at the age of 12, Shivaji became acquainted with the different branch of learning and arts. Acquainted means what? Well known. Okay, very soon, as he was a very clever child, he has learned many things in his small age only. See, here it is written that Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad stories he was reading in his own. In the age of 7 only he started this education in a very scholared way. And in that he got a good one, learning and teachings also, intelligence also. Soon, Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje on an expedition to conquer the states of the Nayaks, means local chiefs in Karnataka. Expedition means what? One of the, we can say, official trip or picnic, means in Marathi we can say that Mohim for war. Conquer means what? To acquire. Jeetna, jinkne. Before setting out upon the expedition, Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji and Jizabai to Pune. With them, he sent elephants, horses and infantry, a treasury, a flag as also trusted ministers, brave generals, and renowned teachers. Okay, infantry means what? Infantry is one of the type of military force which soldiers are walking. Some are sitting on horses, some are sitting on elephants. Likewise, this infantry means those who soldiers are going by walk for the war. So these many things have been given by Shivaji Maharaj, and Shahaji Raje has sent to Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune in the safety place. Come to next point, rejuvenation of Pune. Rejuvenation means what? Remake, or whatever has been devastated or destroyed, remade, again rebuilt has been taken place of Pune. Jijabai and Shivaji returned to Pune. Shivaji remembered his childhood days which he had spent on Shivneri. He could see the lofty peaks of the Sahyadri again, and he became very happy. Pune at that time was not such a big city. It was totally devastated by Shahaji Raje's enemies. Devastated means destroyed. Properties were damaged. Houses were demolished. Demolished means destroyed. Temples had collapsed. Collapsed, fallen down. The frightened people had fled from their villages. Fled from their villages means they left the villages. People were very afraid and they left their villages. So people had fled from their villages. Fields had become barren. Barren means what? Nothing was remaining. Osad. Thick forest had grown. Wolves roamed in the countryside. Wolves, one of the animal. Wolf. It's a plural form of wolf. Pune thus was totally shambled and ruins. Shambled means very disgusted or very disturbed, and ruins means what? Totally broken down because of the enemy ships. When the people living around came to know that Jijabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took heart. They took heart means what? They felt very good that yes, now our queen has come here and surely she will do something for this all the situation. To overcome for that, Jijabai has called off them and reassured them that they would be safe in Pune. People started settling in Pune, cultivating their lands. Jijabai had the dilapidated temples repaired. So, whatever the temples were broken, again she has started to building that temples. In the temples, worship began morning and evening. Then the town was again throbbing with the people. Throbbing with people means people started to make rush. People started to make crowd in the city once again. Thus, Pune was totally transformed. Means whatever condition has been made by enemies, once again after the entrance of Jijabai and Shivaji Maharaj, this change has been came into existence, and once again the Pune became in a very green ways. People started to live there in a very happy mood. Come to next point, the achievements of Dadaji Kondev. Dadaji Kondev is one of the great teacher of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay, so when Jijabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondev looked after Pune Jagir. He was the Subedar of Kondana also. He was very faithful. Faithful means loyal towards to master. He was strict, efficient. Efficient means very good, and honest in his way. Honest, loyal. He was also just and a strict discipliner. Discipliner means what? Those who like discipline very much. A disciplined person. He served with devotion. At about this time, a big vada or residence was built in Pune by the orders of Shahaji Raje. It came to be known as Lal Mahal. To encourage the peasants to till their lands, Dadaji gave them concessions in the land tax for a few years. He offered prizes for destroying the wolves which infested the countryside and harassed the peasants. Infested means what? Destroyed. Many peasants means what? Farmers. Many wolves were killed. He raised peasants patrols and to protect life and property from gangs of thieves who roamed the countryside. Means at that time people were roaming in the countryside and they were doing robbery. That is why the poor people were harassed a lot. That is why what Dadaji Kondev has done? Dadaji Kondev has started some of the prizes. He declared that if some of the wolves will be killed by you or if some of the thieves will be catched by you, there will be biggest prizes for this. People will be awarded for these all the things. So according to that one, he has started to do, and you will able to see that really the people have started to kill the wolves. Even they have started to catch the thieves, and that is why totally Pune has been changed into good city. He fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. He thus made the people happy. In the fields of agricultural reform and revenue collection, the work done by Dadaji Kondev and the Nizam Shahi Wazir Malik Ambar is considered to be very important. Okay, so here today this much only I will able to teach you, because time is also going, and for understanding you it will be very easy. So remaining half part of the lesson will be continued in the next period itself. Till that you all are requested to read this lesson, as you will get the lessons pic also. After getting the pic, you all are requested to read the lesson and send me the message that yes teacher, we have read the lesson. This much only homework will be there of reading. Okay, bye all of you.